So in this video, you'll learn how to put your Nintendo Switch 2 in recovery mode. So the first step is understanding how you're supposed to be entering recovery mode. So whenever you want to enter recovery mode, the first thing that you do is to turn off the switch. Once the switch has been successfully turned off, you're then going to press on the volume buttons, both up and down at the very same time, while pressing on the power button. Once the Nintendo logo appears, you're going to remove the finger from the power button, but continue pressing the volume up and volume down button until you see the recovery mode menu loading. So let's do that. So again, first step is switch off the switch. And remember to ensure that your switch has enough charge for this operation. And then once it's been successfully switched off, you're then going to put fingers on the volume buttons as well as the power button. So just press on all three buttons at the same time, like that. Then continue pressing, let go once the logo appears, keep pressing, and then continue pressing until this menu appears. Once the recovery mode menu has successfully appeared, you'll have entered recovery mode. So from here, you can go through a system update, you can factory reset it without deleting data or with erasing all the data. And then when you're happy with whatever item that you've done, whether it was resetting it or updating it, if you want to exit recovery mode, what you're going to do is just switch off your switch. So go ahead and press on the power button and then continue pressing until the screen goes black. Once the screen goes black, it means that you've successfully turned off the console and it will now exit the power off menu. So now you can go ahead and switch on the console again. Once the logo appears, let go of the power button, wait for it to boot up, and you can see I've successfully exited recovery mode. Now my Joy-Cons have been successfully paired, so I can go ahead and just start my console. And now I can continue using it. And so that's how you can enter recovery mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.